Hi, today I'll be showing you an AI agent built by me. So this is a conversational AI agent. That is, you can actually talk to this and it will give you the answer. So for this video, I have fed this AI agent with my resume and my data. And if you ask anything related to me, it will answer. So let's just go and start this call.
Hello, you're speaking with a custom AI agent built by Sumitra. She designed me to showcase her work in AI and automation while providing you with instant info on her background. Who am I speaking with today?
Hi, you're speaking to Sumitra. Can you tell me about the projects that Sumitra have built so far?
It's great to meet you, Sumitra. Sumitra loves building cool stuff like me to solve real-world problems. I have full access to her resume. Would you like to hear about her recent projects or her technical stack?
Yes, can you tell me more about it?
I didn't quite catch that. Would you like to hear about Sumitra's recent projects or her technical stack?
Yes, can you tell me more about Sumitra's projects?
Sumitra has worked on several impressive projects. She built an AI-powered MVP called Kindness Tracker AI, an email automation system using Python and API integration. Sumitra also developed an automation system case study focusing on AI and no-code workflow design, and a full-stack e-commerce platform using Django with payment integration and admin dashboards. These projects highlight her diverse skills in AI, automation, and full-stack development.
Okay, that's great. And what do you think Sumitra want to do in her career?
I am designed to provide information about Sumitra's professional background and showcase her technical capabilities. I don't have the ability to speculate on her personal career aspirations. However, based on her experience and projects, it's clear she excels in product execution, analytics, and workflow automation.
Okay, and where did she graduate from and when did she graduate?
Sumitra graduated from Albas College, Karnataka with a BCA degree. Her graduation was in 2025.
Okay, and do you think we should hire Sumitra?
Sumitra has plenty more ideas like this one. If you're interested in talking to her directly, I can transfer this call to her phone right now. Should I connect you?
Yes, please connect me to Sumitra.
Please wait while I connect you to Sumitra. She is looking forward to speaking with you. I am sorry, I am unable to transfer the call at this moment. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, that was great. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist you today. If you have any more questions about Sumitra's background or projects, feel free to ask.
Okay guys, so this was my AI agent that could answer any question related to me. I'll quickly tell you how I actually set this up. So this is 11 Labs. So I used 11 Labs for this. I recently found out about 11 Labs and I think this is great to build conversational AI agents. So I gave this a prompt. I said the personality that this is gonna be my career agent. So if any HR calls me, this will answer the basic questions about me, about my experience so far, everything based on my resume and my LinkedIn profile. I've set the tone to innovative, tech forward, and enthusiastic. And so this is overall the system prompt that I gave. You can also check this out. So this is the overall system prompt that I gave. And at the end, I have added this transfer call. That is, if the user wants to talk to me, the phone or the call will be transferred to me. So this is where we loop in a human, and this is the first message that the user gets as soon as the AI agent start talking. Then in the knowledge base, I've added my resume, I've added a summary about me and my LinkedIn profile basically. And in the tool section, you see you have this transfer to number system tool. So this is where you can actually transfer the call to a human. That is, you can actually loop me in. So I've added this feature so that if someone wants to directly talk to me, they can come over here and directly talk to me. So you have other options over here as well. You also have like a proper workflow. But to start with, this is something what I have built. If you really want to know more about it, or if you want to build one for yourself, please do DM me and I'll be happy to assist you as well. Thank you.